In last video, we have discussed what is mean by an atom and what is mean by molecule, then classification of molecule based on type of atom, then next classification based on number of atoms. Okay, in this class, we discuss some terms, that is some quantity used in chemistry, also in science. Okay, first one, mass. What is meant by a mass? Okay, mass is the amount of matter present in a body or in a material. It is the mass means it's the amount of matter, that is how much matter is present in a material or a body, that is called mass. We have a mass. Why we mass? Our body contains so many particles: electron, proton, atoms, molecule, compounds. The amount of that is called mass. If a person has mass 50 kilogram, what is that? It is the mass of that person, right? That is, it is the amount of matter present in that person. Okay, it is a constant quantity. It is a constant quantity. It never changes. When we go to moon, the mass of person never changes. In any part of the earth, polar region or equator region, any region, the mass is constant. If we go to Jupiter or any other planet, then the mass of our body never changes. That is, it's a constant quantity. Its SI unit is kilogram. SI unit is kilogram. Okay, the unit of mass is different units are used, that is SI units, system unit, or international system. What is full form of SI? System International. System International. We will upload a video about what is meant by SI, what are different type of units, what are the different type of unit system. We will discuss in that video. Here you just remember it is SI unit, that is System International, that is International System of Unit. International unit is kilogram, kg. SI unit, kg, kilogram. Other units are gram, milligram, microgram, nanogram, etc. Okay, then weight. Mass, in mass normally use the symbol M, small m. Weight, W. Weight. What is the difference between mass and weight? Weight is the gravitational force acting on a body. Weight is not a mass. It is actually the force, the amount of force due to Earth which acts on a body. That is, it is actually a force. How much force is applied in that body by Earth? Earth apply force on everybody, every object. Earth apply a force. What is the amount of that force? That is the weight. Weight is the amount of force which apply Earth or any planet. Our weight is, what is meant by the weight of a person? It is not a mass. It is the force applied on him by Earth. Okay, it is the gravitational force acting on a body. The force applied by Earth is called gravitational force. That is the force due to a mass is called gravitational force. Weight is the amount of how much force is applied in a body. The weight of a body means how much body. If a weight of a body is if a weight of a body is normally weight of a body is expressed in kilogram meter per second, meter per minus second, minus 2 second. I will discuss uh, later after some time. After some time, here you just understand that the weight is the amount of force that applied on an object by Earth. That is the gravitational force. Okay, the gravitation. It is the force exerted on an object by Earth. It is not a mass. It is a force applied on an object by Earth. That is the weight. Okay. It changes with the place to place. Changes. Equatorial region, polar region, the mass change, weight changes, but the mass never changes. When you go to moon, our weight changes because mass of Earth and mass of moon. Mass of moon is 1 by 6th. Mass of moon is 1 by 6th of the mass of Earth. Mass of moon is very less, that is 6 times lower than that of Earth. That is why the gravitational force of Earth, gravitational force of moon is less than that of. That is 1 by 6th of moon gravitational force. That is force. That is why weight changes. That means weight changes from planet to moon is a planet to planet. Okay, different planets and different stars, the weight is different. Even Earth, polar region, equatorial weight is changes. That is gravitational. When gravitational force changes, the the weight is changes. Weight equal to how will you calculate weight? Weight has any relation with the mass? Yes. Weight equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Gravity means the force due to Earth. How will you calculate weight? Weight equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. If you know mass of an object, we can calculate weight. Weight. If a person has mass 50 kilogram, 50 kg, then acceleration due to gravity is a constant quantity. In Earth surface, it is a constant quantity, that is 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. That is the acceleration due to gravity. 9.8 meter per second square. Unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Multiply by mass of person, that is 50 kg. When we multiply 50 kg to 9.8, we will get a value. That is the weight. It is not a mass, it is a weight. That is how much force is applied on that person by Earth. Earth apply a force on that person. Earth apply a force on 50 kilogram person. That force is how much? That is calculated by mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass of that person into 9.8. We will get the weight of a person. Weight of person it is not an amount of matter that present in a matter. It is a mass. Weight is a force. When we apply a force on a body, when we apply a force on a body, we can apply a force 2 Newton, 10 Newton, etc. In the same way, have to apply force on every object. What is the amount of that? What is the amount of that force? What is the amount of that force? That is weight. Okay. Weight equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. That is W equal to m into g. G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. G is acceleration. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay. SI unit is Newton. The unit of force. SI unit of force is Newton. So weight is a force. No? The same unit of force. Weight is a force. The SI unit of force is Newton. Okay. What is Newton? What is the unit of SI unit of mass? Kilogram. SI unit of G acceleration meter per second square. Kilogram. That is the unit of weight is kilogram meter per second square. What is the unit of weight? Kilogram meter per second square. In physics class, we studied it. Physics class in detail we studied the unit, how will you calculate the unit of force. Okay, here we just remember only. Okay, that is the unit of force is equal to mass into g, that is kilogram meter per second square. Kilogram meter per second square is called Newton. That's why the unit of weight is Newton. But in the case of mass, unit is kilogram. Entirely different. Okay. Then the next concept, next physical quantity is volume. Okay, volume V. Okay, it is the space occupied by a body. It is the space occupied by a body. How much space is occupied by an object? That is the volume. How much space is occupied by an object? That is the volume. Okay. The SI unit is meter cube. SI unit is meter cube. Okay. Actually, it is the length. What is the length and volume related? Length, breadth. If an object has length, breadth, height, you multiply. Length into breadth into height, we get the volume occupied by that an object. If a body has 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, and 1 meter height, how will you calculate the volume occupied by that an object? You just multiply length into breadth into height. Then you will get the volume of that object. Okay. SI unit is SI unit is meter cube. What is mean by that? You take a cube of 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height. Then you multiply it. You will get meter cube. That is 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height. 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. That is 1 meter cube. Okay. Other units are, this is the SI unit. Other units are centimeter cube. What is centimeter cube? A box of 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Also 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height, also called ml, milliliter. 1 millimeter volume means 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. The space occupied by 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height is called 1 milliliter. Also liter. Liter is 1000 ml. That is another unit of, instead of ml we can write centimeter cube. That is 1 ml means 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. The space occupied by that is called centimeter cube. It is also called ml, milliliter. 1000 ml is called, or 1000 centimeter cube is called liter. How will you get it? How much volume is 1000 centimeter cube or 1 liter? 10 centimeter length, 10 centimeter breadth, 10 centimeter height. You multiply 10 into 10, 100 into 10,000. Next video we can discuss it. Okay. Okay.